Escape from a nightmare that is your shop and your tools covered in dust. Your wet dry vacuum's filter clogged with dust, causing reduced suction, less dust collected at the source, and costly filter replacements.
Act now and get Oneida Air Systems USA-made Dust Deputy Cyclone Separator Deluxe Kit, the world-famous solution that turns your wet dry vacuum into a cyclonic dust collector. The Dust Deputy uses cyclonic action to literally spin 99.9% of fine dust and debris out of the airstream before it reaches your wet dry vacuum's filter, eliminating filter clogging and suction loss. The Dust Deputy separates the dust into the included all-clear 5-gallon dust bucket, complete with the all-clear quick-release bucket lid. Monitor the dust level in the bucket from across your shop. Safely store 1.5-inch to 2.5-inch vacuum accessories on the free-rotating mounted casters. And take your Dust Deputy Deluxe Kit with you wherever you go. And move the Dust Deputy Deluxe Kit and your vacuum around as one unit with the included tether pack. The Dust Deputy can easily collect nearly any type of dust. And unlike emptying out the wet dry vacuum itself, disposing of the dust is a breeze. Keep your shop, your tools, your wet dry vacuum and its filter clean with the world-famous USA-made Dust Deputy Cyclone Separator Deluxe Kit from Oneida Air Systems, the industry leader in dust collection.